In today's video, I am going to teach you how to view Facebook page insights. Start by making sure you are already logged into your Facebook account. Once you are signed in, switch over to the Facebook business page that you want to review. This is important because page insights are tied to the specific page you manage. After you are on your business page, look to the left side of the screen and find Meta Business Suite. Click on it to open the business dashboard. This is where Facebook provides tools to help you manage your page, track performance, and review audience activity. When the Meta Business Suite dashboard opens, go to the left sidebar and click Insights. This section gives you access to the main performance data for your Facebook business page. You will first land on the Overview page. Here you can review your page's overall performance in one place. This area usually shows a summary of important activity, including reach, engagement, and general trends over time. It is a useful starting point when you want a quick picture of how your page is performing. Next, click Content. In this section, you can view the performance of your posts and reels. This helps you understand which types of content are getting the most views, reactions, comments, or other interactions. Reviewing this section can help you identify what is working best on your page. After that, click Audience. This area shows information about your followers and page visitors. You can learn more about the people interacting with your page and see audience-related details that may help you better understand who your content is reaching. Then move to the Results section. Here you can review key performance metrics such as reach, engagement, and any other available insights shown for your page. This section is especially useful if you want to focus on measurable outcomes and track how your page is growing over time. At the top of the page, use the Date Range selector to change the time period for the data you are viewing. This allows you to compare recent performance with earlier results and helps you monitor trends more accurately. As you move through each section, take time to review the charts and metrics carefully. These visual reports can help you analyze your Facebook business page's performance and make better decisions about your future content and strategy. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.